at half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. A Canadian national and his partner were robbed and killed in Greenwood, St. James on Thursday evening. They have been identified as 61-year-old Clayton Arthur Cook and 37-year-old Jem Cecilia Cook. The police say about 8:10 p.m. the couple was in the process of entering their home when they were robbed and shot. The robbers escaped in a 1998 Toyota Corolla Spacio motor car that belonged to Mr. Cook. My wisdom warriors, you know hear this a bangarang right now? Canadian national were shot, robbed, and killed, my people. And I say what is going on? This happening at Greenwood, St. James. This happening at Greenwood, St. James. And the people, them not listening, they're not understanding. The people in the diaspora, you see right now, you know see what is going on in Jamaica. You know see mass shooting, but yet, you know still a travel. You get me? You know have to just pray for protection because Puss and Dawg don't have the same luck. Puss and Dawg don't have the same luck. You know see say people all a drive by and a shoot. Like, I beg you know. Now is not the time for go to Jamaica. You know see? You don't see what is going on. You don't see say crime sky high. Why you not brave bad? You no want so brave. You not brave bad. But me think say a lot of these people, they might listen to Andrew Holness. They might listen to the Prime Minister and think that the Prime Minister have the place locked. Prime Minister have no place locked because crime is out of control and they need help. They need a crime plan. But Andrew Holness' crime plan is the JCF. That is Andrew Holness' crime plan, JCF, and it is not helping. It is really and truly not helping me people. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, is investigating 3 separate police fatal shootings which occurred on Thursday. 2 of the incidents occurred in St. Mary and the other in St. Catherine. The deceased have been identified as 32-year-old Javon Peart, 21-year-old Kevon Williams, and 27-year-old Joseph Williamson. 4 firearms have reportedly been seized from the scene. My wisdom warriors, when you hear them as something here, they tell us say crime is way up, way up, way up. Crime is really out of control. Andrew Holness, you know, Andrew Holness I live in a denial. You get me? And the people them who need to go out and protest about crime and violence. There's too much crime and violence going on and nobody now protest. You not do nothing, you just sit down. You have to go out and protest about these things. Crime against humanity. You need to go out and protest, my people. You have to do that. You can't be so scared. Like literally, nobody. If you come together, and unite, it will alright, then you can't stop, And I like say, you not go hurt nobody or mash up nobody place. Mighty God, I don't know. But my people, INDICOM come out again and call upon the JCF for wear body cam. Jamaicans for Justice, JFJ, is again raising concerns about the absence of body-worn cameras during operations by law enforcement. Executive Director of JFJ, Michael Jackson, cited statistics showing what group described as an alarming increase in fatal shootings by security forces over the past years. My people, listen to me. There's a lot of crime that is going on. The security forces them out here and a lot of innocent people are dead. Something need to be done about this. Something need to be done about this. You understand? From you hear the JFJ come out and attack my people. From you hear INDICOM come out and attack my people. You know so this is serious. But may I ask the citizens of Jamaica, are you guys okay with this? Are you guys okay with the police them going out without body cams? Because remember, say enough innocent youth are dead, you know. Uno okay with it? Me tell you no, say Andrew Oldness go off of how uno react. So if there's no reaction, them are going to continue do what them are do. My Jamaican brothers and sisters, me I beg uno, stand up. Stand up for truth and right. Go out and protest against this crime and violence. My people, hear this. Deputy Mayor and Councillor at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, the JLP Delroy Williams. So Delroy Williams is the Deputy Mayor, yeah, and Councillor at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. So you know how it go. So you know, so Delroy Williams now I try to make Mayor Swaby look bad. All of this what them a do is a PR stunt. Them a liar. The Jamaica Labour Party is a set of liars and then just want to stand up and paint up the PNP name in wrongdoings. PNP no do none of these things what them a talk about. You understand? A company them a look. And Delroy Williams, for you a come out and a speak and Mayor Swaby, you not have no right because we still await on the 88 million. Auditor General await for the 88 million. Where is that 88 million? How you come out a chat off your mouth, but you want thorough investigation and audit. Hello? Hello? We want thorough investigation of you when you were the mayor. And that we, the Jamaican people, want. Where is our 88 million taxpayer money? Where there, Delroy? Hello? The whole of attack the mayor over money we never give out. You know, so friggin' dumb. This for sure the Jamaican people say, you see, uno afraid of the PNP, you know. Uno is a bit dirty politics, them do, you know. Pure dirty politics, the Jamaica Labour Party, do. Uno is a wicked set of drunk crow. Uno. Me wisdom warriors. Uno can't believe Delroy Williams, Feda. Me attack Feda. No found no problem no know the name. No recognize the name, but uno recognize Feda. Eh? Feda. Really and truly, Feda. You come out and talk about investigation. You're not supposed to talk about nothing because all know we are waiting on the 88 million, brother. Talk about the 88 million that is missing. Talk about that. I just told Jamaican people a joke with Uno. Uno hear me? And just because Jamaican people joke with Uno, play with Uno, like Uno and them a friend. Me I tell Uno because Uno no partial. Uno no care. You get me? Uno is a wicked set of drunk crowd. I can't stand Uno. My wisdom warriors, you can't imagine all these nastiness where them a gather up. Them wicked enough. Them wicked because they want the people them to say PNP are thief. PNP is not no thief. Una talk about money when not given. That's stupid. When Una actually thief money, where is the 88 million? Auditor General come out and call up a name Delroy. Where is it? Where is the money? Hello? And you need investigation, a thorough one too. My wisdom warriors, him continue saying that if true, raise serious concerns regarding the stewardship and fiscal integrity of the Andrew Swaby-led municipality. I get them want to get out Mayor Swaby, you know. I see the plan. I see the plan. It now go walk a blouse and skirt. It now go walk. You know hear me? It now go walk. It now go walk. So I take on the mind off this. Take on the mind off this. I don't know why they even make you be deputy mayor after the amount of money you thief. Really? Really? No, sir. My people, wanna tell me what you think about this and put on a comment below.
Be clear that for those Jamaicans who intend to come back with crime and violence to undermine what we have been building here, let me be clear to you that this is not the Jamaica that you left 10 or 20 years ago. It is not the JCF that you left 10 or 20 years ago.
My wisdom warriors, what kind of prime minister is this? Let me ask you a question. What kind of prime minister come out and do press briefing and talk like this? No, let me ask you now. What kind of prime minister come out? A lot of people that is coming home, that is undocumented, they are not criminals. That's a number one. Number two, Andrew Wellness. When you come out, the first thing you do is to tell them, say, if you don't have a place to go, you your government are going to put something in place to make sure so them are right, you understand? And you're going to give them support so they can find jobs and stuff like that. You don't greet them like that. Talk about the JCF is not, everybody know, because the JCF is out here killing innocent people and you don't do nothing about it, Andrew Holness. You tell them, boy, judge or meet thy maker. Horace Strong come out and say shoot to kill and ask question after. And Jamaican people sit down because you don't reach a phone door yet and you do nothing to stand up for one another. This is why this man can come out and talk like that. He might put fear in the Jamaican people. And you fail to see it. You need to stand up for a rotted wall now. And I'm not going to stop telling you. You need to stand up, man. Stand for something, man. Hear how the man attack. Hear how the man attack. You know how much undocumented persons, yeah? You know how much undocumented persons send money back home? You know that? So how the first thing you come out of that you say, Andrew Holness, that is wrong and it is unacceptable. That is wrong and it is unacceptable. So stop. Why at that first have to come in your brain? Why you never say you're going to put something in place? I know I'm in a year or say nothing like that. Can everybody build up house, you know? I know everybody build house back home in Jamaica. Remember good, you know? I know everybody. Some people don't have nowhere to go. So what you are going to do? And that them want here. When them come, what are you going to do? Are you going to assist them? Is there support? Is there counseling available? Because this what them go through is hard for them. This is how England would do it. This is how Canada would do it. This is how Colombia would do it. Because me, the Colombia president come out and he might call back everybody to come home. You understand me? And Holness, me not like them a style here. You understand? You put fear in a people for what reason? And that if you come out and talk about. And that and say if you come out and talk, you think say everybody a criminal like Uno? Eh? You think say everybody a criminal like Uno? Huh? You make it look like all the undocumented people, them are criminal. So you make it a look. Hey, me grieve to blouse and skirt. Me grieve. Before this man come out, you know, with the open arms and make them know say it is okay. You get me? When you come back, we are going to support you, we are going to assist you. You know, if you don't have nowhere to go, we are going to make sure so we put something in place. Just like how you do with the Indians. When the Indian people, them come on the plane, you put them up in a hotel, nice hotel. And then you 3 times a day and up and down. And hear how you attack. The Indians, them wasn't a criminal. We on the Lego in a Kingston. But you know, own people are criminal. So you look upon them. Boy, Jamaica, if you don't understand what Andrew Holness is talking about, you know, I don't know when you not going to understand. Lord God. I don't know. The rough in the Gideon and you not do nothing. Nobody now look out for them one another. But not until you reach a phone door, then you not go say, see, boy, me never know until you reach a me door. So you not go behave like always. And nobody stand up for them one another. You not stand up for each other. You live really bad. Me I tell you no. Because crime is going on, violence is going on. Before you go out and protest, what do you know? Huh? What is wrong with you know? Listen to me, man. It's better to be useful in life than useless. It's better to be useful in life than useless. Let me tell you now. When you see a government come out and act the way I act, you have to rise up and protest. Stop talking now about election. Stop talking about that. Because EOJ is in Andrew Holness' office. You understand? And let me tell you something. Andrew Holness are go and thief the election. So you need to start rise up now and show them say we in control. You are public servant. You not serve we. But me not get that from the people. Me not getting that. I don't know what is wrong with you know. Government badness come out and take over and run the place. And you can protest. If you come together, it will work. Me tell you no. If no found come out, you see like how the hotel worker come out and a whole heap of them, a son of come out. Peter Bunting tell you no. For roll out, nothing, nobody. So you have to know, you know. You have to know. Still. But right now, me grieve with Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness chat where I make. Me grieve. Me not even want to play no more. Me not even want to play the way I vex. The way I vex. Listen to me, man. Let me tell you something. You see, if somebody is a criminal and they know say they do, you know, they rape and whatever, obviously you're not gonna let them go up on the street, don't it? You're not gonna let them go up on the street. So Andrew Wallace make it look like say the undocumented them all out them a criminal and stuff like that. And listen, John, no, me no know still. Me no know why we make this mistake and put this big nose brother, you know, in a House of Parliament, you know. And the biggest mistake we ever make in our life. The biggest mistake. And you see, Andrew Wallace, you know what we have do? We have to do a petition. We need to do something. We need to write to Donald Trump. We need to tell him about Andrew Wallace. He's getting away with too much. He's getting away with too much. But then again, if the people then rise up and do nothing, he's not even going to get involved because it seems like everybody all right with it. But my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me one thing still. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.